everybody, welcome to my Crochet Nook. I'm Linda and today I have some happy mail, and this happy mail has come all the way from OlaJoe in the USA. And thank you so much, OlaJoe. I really do appreciate it. I will put the link to OlaJoe's channel in the description box. She is one amazing supporter for all of us little channels, and she has blessed so many of us this past 12 months. So thank you so much, OlaJoe. And if you're not subscribed to OlaJoe, don't forget to go across, click the bell icon and subscribe and watch one of her videos, or even a couple of her videos, and show your support. And if you do, tell her that you've come from Linda. So yeah, I've opened the box. So shall we see what's inside? Oh my word. It's from Farrell's, guys. Oh wow. Wow, thank you so much, OlaJoe. So I've got some Wonder. Now you know I can't oh my god. Oh guys, this is so and it's the Wonder acrylic yarn, and this one is called Velvet. Look at the colour. Isn't that a beautiful colour? It's a 4-weight, and this has got, it's 100% acrylic, wasted weight, 100 grams, 120 yards, and I bet I will get a lovely beanie out of that. That will be fabulous. Oh, I can't get over how soft it is. It's so soft. And it's huggable. So that's that colour. And then I got pomegranate. Isn't that a beautiful red? Like a pinky red it is, more than. Oh wow. Wonder is Farrell's first acrylic yarn, airy, soft, satiny, and in a wide variety of colours. Wonder is for fibre artists who love the touch of luxe and easy versatility. And this is made in China. And the hook size is a 5mm knitting needle and a 5mm hook. Look, oh, that I can't get over how soft. I've seen so many of my beautiful US friends get this yarn and rave about how soft it is, and I've always wanted to just feel it for myself, and oh my gosh guys, it is soft. It is awesome. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I think there is something else in here. Guys, I've got, what will yours look like? Oh my gosh, it's a Farrell streamline. Oh wow. Let's see what I've got. Drum roll please. Drum roll please. Oh, hi bestie, it says. Look at that. It's a G hook, which is a 4mm, and it's my favourite crochet hook to use, guys. Oh my gosh. Hi bestie OlaJoe, thank you. Oh, it is amazing. Just look at that. Isn't it? Oh, it's like it's got all different colours in it, and it's like browns and autumnal colours, and there's a little bit of glitter in there. Oh, well, no, it's not glitter. It's like iridescent, and it's kind of, you know, when you pour oil on, water on oil, and it goes all, I'm not sure if you can see it. I can't really explain it very well, but it's awesome. Oh my god, I'm absolutely in shock. Thank you so much, Andrea, which is OlaJoe, by the way. Thank you so very, very much. I just don't know what I've done to deserve this, but thank you, thank you, thank you. She is a little beauty. Oh my word. And she's so light. She is so light. Oh, I can't get over how she is. I'll have to have a play and see how I get on with her. Because I've tried the wooden fails before and I've never really got on with them. But this feels, it doesn't even feel like I've got anything in my hand, guys. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I will treasure this. Oh my Lord. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video, sharing, leaving a comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you see that my other videos, and when I get you'll get notification when I do post videos, and I post videos on a Tuesday, Thursday and a Sunday, which is a podcast, which is a run through of everything that's happened the previous week. So, and I do a live on a Wednesday, and the first live will be on the 5th of January at 5 PM British summertime, and I believe it's 12 Eastern, 11 Pacific, is it? Oh, Central, 11 Central, 10 Pacific, and I'm not sure what it is, Mountain Time. But I'm sure you can Google it. So take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.